Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible or not? Can you confirm me using your chat box?
Yes, sir, audible.
Yeah, fine. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sushant Kumar and I'm an application support engineer on the behalf of DIgSILENT Technology. Today, I will give you a short introduction about DIgSILENT PowerFactory software. Before going on to the software, I want to introduce about DIgSILENT Technology. So DIgSILENT was established in year 2004 and we offer various types of software for education and research field. We are sole authorized distributor of DIgSILENT PowerFactory for research and education software in India. As per your knowledge, DIgSILENT established in year 2004 and it is an ISO certified company. We have more than 300 plus satisfied customers and also 200 plus academic customers, in which includes IITs, NITs, and other government institutions, and also different types of industries and private institutions. So these are some list of our client where we deliver this software, like IIT Bangalore, Kanpur, IIT Gandhinagar, Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Varanasi, Bhubaneswar, and also the list of NITs, IIT Kurukshetra, Manipur, Durgapur, Uttarakhand, and many more. Now we comes on to the DIgSILENT. So first of all, I am giving you overview about the DIgSILENT PowerFactory software, how to create network simulation and analysis. So about DIgSILENT PowerFactory is a leading power system analysis software application for use in analysis, generation, transmission, distribution, and industrial system. It covers the full range of functionality from standard features to highly sophisticated and advanced applications, including wind power, distributed generation, real-time simulation, and performance monitoring for system testing and supervision. Next question which comes in our mind, why DIgSILENT? So DIgSILENT comes with an integrated graphical one-line interface. It consists of one-line diagram, include drawing functions, editing capabilities, and various aesthetics and dynamic calculation features. PowerFactory offers most economical solution as data handling, modeling capabilities, and overall functionality replaces of other software system, thereby minimizing project execution cost and training requirements. PowerFactory 2022 base package. So in this base package, you can got it load flow analysis, short circuit analysis, network model manager, network diagram and graphic features, power equipment models, converter and interfaces, and many more features in the base package. DIgSILENT also provides the advanced function, and in this advanced version of 2022, you can get protection function, contingency analysis, cable analysis, transmission network tools, distribution network tool, reliability analysis function, optimal power flow, and many more features in this advanced function tool. If you need any support and any question about this software and anything, if you want to know about the software, please call onto this number, and also you can reach onto this mail ID. Let's come onto the software. So this is the main interface of the software. So when you open your DIgSILENT PowerFactory, then the main window look like this form. First of all, close this. Now, this is the main window of the software. And in this software of main window, you can see here in the upper screen, we have different types of tab, like file tab, edit tab, view tabs, insert, data, calculation, output, tools, window, and help. Each and every tabs have different types tools and features which you can use during your project creation, formation, and simulation. Below of this tab, you can see here we have different types of icon bar, which you can also use during your project formation and simulation. In the left hand side, this is called library. And in this library, we have different types of tools. And middle of this page, you can create your network. So how can you create your network? First of all, go to the file tab and click here. When you click onto this file tab, then you can see we have different types of options for new examples, import, export, activate project, deactivate project, actively study case, and many more features and options which you can choose according to your need. So I want to create our network, new network. So click onto this new, select project. When you select project, then it gives here the name of choosing project. So from here, you can give your project name and press OK. You can give your about grid name and again press OK. Now you can see here our each tabs now activated, and also we have different types of icon bars which are all of them are activated, and which someone has not activated right now, but when you comes according step to step, then each and every tabs will be activated. In the left hand icon bar, you can see here the library explorer, and in this library we have different types of tools: bus bar and terminals, bus bar system, switches, line, cable, and series impedance, different types of loads and generators, resources, shunts and filters, power electronic device, protection device, and many more. Middle of a screen, this is called a schematic or drawing tool page where you can draw your network and run your network. Below of this drawing page, you can see here the output window where you can see the result of your network. Let's now to create our basic network. So I'm showing here how can you create your 5 bus bar network. So first of all, select bus bar. So when you click on it, then your cursor becomes this form. So click 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For deactivating, simply right mouse click onto your screen. Now I need a cable or line to connect one bus bar to another. So go to line tab, line component tools, and select line from here. Click onto it Click here and connect. Similarly, for deactivate this, simply right mouse click. Now I am wanting that connect the transformer. So go again to the tool tab, and we have different types of transformer. So this is 2-winding transformer. So take from here and connect this transformer from this bus bar to this bus bar. Similarly for this bus bar. For deactivate this, simply right mouse click. Now I need a sources. So choose from here external grid and connect onto this bus bar. Deactivate it. And also I want to add a load in our network. So click onto this load. And you can add your load anywhere where you want. Like if you want to add onto this bus bar, so simply click and add here. I want to add a load also onto this bus bar. So this is our basic 5-bus bar system network. Now I want to edit this bus. So first of all, click onto this bus. When you double click onto this bus, then you can see here a new window open on your screen. So from here, from basic data, you can type here the name of this bus. So right now, this name of this bus is terminal 4. So you can give the name of your bus according to your choice. Similarly, click onto this bus. Give this name bus 2. Press enter. Bus 3. Bus 4. And this is bus 5. Now edit the value of this line. So right now, the bus voltage is every bus voltage from to line is 110. So click onto this line. So when you double click onto this line, then in the basic data, you can see here the name of line. So you can edit the name of line for line 1, line 2, and anything. Click onto this line type of line. And from here, choose new project type. When you click onto this new project type, then you can see here, we have 4 options: line type, tower geometry, and cable definition. So choose from here line type and type here the rated voltage. So rated voltage at this moment is 110. From here, you can change and give your rated current power value. Choose from here to cable or overhead line. System type, AC or DC, phase technology, single phase, double phase, and triple phase. Number of neutrals. You can set your AC resistance value like 0.12 and reactance 0.32. Now press OK. Also in this basic data, you can type here the length of line. So this time the length of line is 1 kilometer. So you can change this value and make it 1 to 20 kilometer, 50 kilometer, according to your project requirement and your network. Also, we have a type of line, and in this line model, we have two options: lumped parameter and distributed parameter. So from here, you can choose lumped or distributed and press OK. Similarly, for line 2, again go to type, select new project type, go to line type, giving here 110 kV. You can set your system type, phase technology, number of neutral, nominal frequency, AC resistance, and reactance. You can put down here the value according to your calculation and press OK. Length of line. You can set your line model, lumped parameter or distributed parameter, and press OK. Now we are using here the transformer and a step down transformer. So due to that, from this side to this side, the voltage will be decreased. So from here to line voltage, type here the value 11 kV. Similarly for this bus, now double click on this transformer, go to type, select new project type. So the name of this transformer is true winding transformer type. So from here, if you want to change the name, you can simply type for the name according to your choice. You can set here the technology: 3-phase transformer, single wire or 3-turn single phase transformer, and 3-phase transformer. So from here, you can choose your phase technology. Type here the rated power from 1 MVA, 2 MVA, 5 MVA. Now giving here the HV side. So HV side is 110 and LV side is 11. From here, you can change your vector group, HV side and LV side, short circuit voltage value, copper losses, and many more options which you can edit. Now press OK and click here the flip connection and press OK. Yeah. Similarly for this two-winding transformer, again go to type, select new project type, give here the name of your two-winding transformer. Type for the HV side. So HV side is 110 and LV side is 11. Press OK. Click here flip connection and again press OK. So now I need to edit the value of this load. So double click on this load and go to load flow. From this load flow, you can give here the active power and reactive power value. So type here active power and reactive power. So active power is 2. So reactive power is half of this active power. So type here 1. Press OK. Similarly for this load, one 0.5 and press OK. Similarly, click here 3 and 1.5. So our basic things is done. 5-bus network system generated. We done the editing of our bus bars, line, transformer, and load. So now I'm going to execute load flow calculation. To execute load flow calculation, in this icon bar, you can see here we have different types of icon bar. So this is the icon of load flow calculation. Otherwise, when you click onto this calculation tab, then you can see how we have different types of calculation method in this DIgSILENT PowerFactory. Load flow, short circuit, contingency analysis, quasi-dynamic simulation, RMS EMT solution, model eigenvalue analysis, frequency responses, system parameter, potential function, arc flash analysis, cable analysis, power quality and harmonic analysis, and many more calculation features provided by DIgSILENT PowerFactory. So from here you can choose load flow, otherwise directly click onto this icon. So when you click onto this load flow icon, then in the basic option, you can see here we have three types of calculation method: AC load flow for balanced, AC load flow for unbalanced, and DC load flow. So from here you can choose AC load flow. Also, we have another option for active power control, advanced option, calculation setting. So in this calculation setting, we have two types of load flow method: Newton-Raphson method and Newton-Raphson for power equation. And first one is for the current equation. So choose any one and press execute. So load flow successfully calculated and executed. When you move your cursor onto this transformer, then you can observe here the loading percentage is 113.9%. And at this time, on this transformer, the loading percentage is 0. So it's become in the safe mode, and due to that, it's indicated black. And here the color is red, it means that it's very high loading according to this transformer. So how can you cover this percentage, loading percentage? You have two options. First of all, you can decrease the load on this load. Otherwise, you can increase the power of this transformer. So go from any one option, directly click onto this option and type the rated power from 1 to 2 megavolt ampere and press OK. Then press load flow. Now it becomes 56.5%. Now I'm showing here how can you see and generate heat map. So before generation of heat map, I want to show here how can we edit the node. So at this time, you can see here we have three values in this node and bus bar. So for edit this value, simply right mouse click on this node, click edit format for nodes. Then you can see here we have two boxes, first and second. According to these variables, the value put down in this below boxes. So if you want to add another value of variable, simply right mouse click onto this blank space and click here, insert row. Now double click onto it. And from here, you can choose any one value which you want to show and indicate in your front system. Like if you want to add voltage real part, so select this box and press OK. So you can observe here, we have 4 values each and every nodes. Okay. Now I'm showing here how can you create your Excel format sheet data. So for that, click onto this network motor manager. From here, you can create your Excel format data sheet. So for that, we have different options. You can generate for each and every tabs, each and every components. Otherwise, you can select individual components and generate your data sheet. So for all components, click onto this all and press all, Control plus A. Click right mouse click onto this any one component. Go to separate sheet format. Click copy, and you can paste your Excel data sheet. You can paste here the value. So according to a project and according to put down value, you can see here the data of entire system, entire components. Okay. Now close this. So from this way, you can generate your data set using this software. So I'm showing here how can we generate your heat map. So formation of heat map, the sub menu of this icon bar, you can see here the temperature graph. So click here the heat map icon and execute. So before executing, you have different options for resolution for low, medium, high, and user defined. So you can set here. And press OK. So this is the heat map generation. Now each and every color becomes green. So I want to apply more load from 1 MVA to 5, 2 amperes of fuel. Also apply load onto this load. Just wait. So you can add another component and you can edit the value of any component. Like I want to add one more load onto this bus and see the value 5, 3 and press OK and execute load flow. So now it becomes red onto the both of the transformer. Now click onto this heat map and execute it. Now it becomes better. For better understanding about that, the which color indicates for red and why it's become red. For more details, simply click onto this show legend layer. So this show here, when you zoom this, then you can easily understand that why color becomes green, blue, red, yellow. So this is voltage or loading range. So when the lower voltage range becomes 1 per unit, then it becomes green. 0.95 this color and 0.9 per unit, then it's indicated by blue. Upper voltage range from 1 to 1.1 per unit, and according to this value, the color indicates onto this graph. And loading percentage, when it's 80%, then it becomes orange, and if it's 100%, then it becomes red. So using this heat map, you can see here. Now I'm showing here how can you see the animation of load flow. So the animation of load flow, simply right mouse, simply click on this layer tab and select element tab. In this element tabs, you can see here we have different options, and from here you can see the power flow direction arrow. So click onto this and select show animation. From here you can choose your direction dependence. When you click here of your drop down menu, then it gives you different options for active power, reactive power, and many more options. So from here you can choose and press OK. So you can see the flow of electron from this direction to this direction. For deactivate this animation load flow, again follow same procedure. Comes element details, deactivate power flow direction, and press OK. If you have any queries, you can ask using your chat box. I am trying to give you question answers. And if I am not able to give the answer right now, then I will give the answers after end of this presentation. So for that, please drop your question with your email ID. Now we come to another part of the software to showing how can you plot the bar diagram of your bus, line, and transformer. So plotting the bar graph of your bus, simply select bus, press Control key and select one by one. Now press right mouse click on any bus, go to show and select bar diagram of buses. We have 4 options to plot our bar diagram: user defined, magnitude in per unit, magnitude in kV. So from here you can choose anyone and plot your bar diagram. So you can observe here from bus 1 to bus 5, each and every bus bar having the voltage magnitude in per unit graph. Now finally, I am showing here how can you generate your report card. So formation of report card, first of all, click onto this icon of output calculation analysis. So when you click here, then you can see in the general option, we have different types of load balance. In this load flow balance, we have multiple load flow simulation option for bus bar and terminals, total system summary, grid summary, complete system report, edge elements. So from here, choose the complete system report. And from here, the kind of reports, click onto this all and execute. Now click onto this information. So from here, you can see here in the output window, you can see entire details of your load flow calculation. Otherwise, you can click onto this icon. Sorry, this icon. And from here, you can easily see your entire details of your 5-bus network. So load flow execute using Newton-Raphson algorithm. We use external grid for local reference machine as bus at bus 1. And this is the control for all controllers in interest are fulfilled. The project formation on the date using the software type, AC load flow balance, positive sequence automatic tap adjustment of transformer, consider relative power limited. So these are the details of your entire calculation features. For when you clearly absorb this data sheet, then you can easily understand that on which buses having voltage, how much voltage per unit value in kV. This is the angle of your bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, bus 4, and bus 5. Reactive power, active power, power factor, current, and loading percentage of each and every bus person. So you can see here the entire report card of your 5-bus network. Now come on to this main page. So I'm showing here how can you do short circuit calculation. So for the short circuit calculation, we have 2 options. Either you can go through this icon, otherwise you can click on this calculation option. And from this calculation option, you can choose the short circuit formation. Otherwise, you can directly click onto this icon of short circuit calculation. So click here. In this basic option of when you click here on this drop down menu, then we have different types of method to short circuit calculation. VDE 010, part 0, IC standard 60909, NIS SI standard, complete standard IEC 61363, and many more options. So you can choose anyone and press OK. So from here you can see the short circuit formation onto this each and every bus. So before executing this short circuit calculation, you can type here the fault type of your short circuit for 3-phase, 2-phase, single phase, and other options. You can choose from here the user defined, otherwise the bus bar and junction node, and other bus bars. So you can choose different types of example options using this software. So this is the short circuit calculation onto this buses. Now I'm showing here how can you multiple short circuit on line and bus bar. So for that, simply select this bus. Now click onto this line. Right mouse click here. From here, go to calculate and select multiple fault. From here, select all, Control A, and close it. Now it comes once again onto this basic option of your method. So from here you can choose your method for IEC standard, NIC standard, complete method, and many more options. From here choose your fault type, different types of fault type, 3-phase, 2-phase, single phase, and press OK. So you can see here the short circuit onto this process. Oh, I'm sorry for that, because I'm showing here how can you short circuit on this bus and line as well. So first of all, select your bus, press Control key and select line. Right mouse click here, click calculate, multiple fault, Control all, and close and execute. So you can observe here the short circuit onto this line. So you can choose single phase, triple phase option calculation method, and you can find out the short circuit. Is any questions from your end? Please ask. Yeah. So during short circuit calculation, when you go on to this output option, then you can see here the output option. Output as we have two options, ASC, II, otherwise tabular. So in this tabular, you can see here the table of your component of short circuit. Okay. Now close this window. Now I'm showing here the 9 bus bar example. So before 9 bus bar example, I am showing here how can you do contingency analysis. So contingency analysis, go to calculation method, choose your contingency analysis. Otherwise, we have one more option to do contingency analysis. So first of all, go to File tab. And from here, you can also choose the example. From here, examples, you can do contingency analysis. Otherwise, you can do the contingency analysis using your same circuit. So in this example file of application example, we have multiple types of examples like LV distribution network, MB distribution network, transmission system, Texas grid, industrial network. In this example of literature, we have different types of bus bar examples, 9 bus bar system, 14 bus bar system, 39 bus system, and many more. Example from a standard. So we have also different types of examples in this standard type. So you can choose anyone and execute. Now close this window. So first of all, activate this project. Now click on this icon of change toolbar. From here, choose the contingency analysis. Now click onto this icon bar for the definition of contingency. And from here, in the basic option of creation of contingencies, we have two options for generate fault case for library, and second one is generate contingency cases for analysis. Outage level for n-1 case, n-2 case, and n-k. So from here you can choose output outage level, contingency analysis, and create case for the entire system. Otherwise, you can choose selection and filter elements and press execute. Now click onto this contingency icon. From here, you can see the different types of options. So select calculation method, AC load flow calculation, DC load flow, AC, and other one more option, and press execute. So DC load flow is the first which calculates active power but using normal voltage. And third one is the AC load flow analysis method. It represents the contingency cases by using equivalent injection to reduce the flow through the faulted area to 0. Now you can see here the grid graphic has been colored according to the high and low voltage and loading. When you click onto this overview, then you can see the entire overview data of your transmission system. Map of your transmission system of your northeast, from the northwest, southeast, and southwest. Now click here on this contingency analysis script. And from here you can choose the new folder, new components, and execute and close it. Also, you can generate your results using this icon. And see in your output window. Okay. So from here you can see the entire details of your contingency analysis, load flow calculation, short circuit calculation, and many more. Using this software, you can also do the overcurrent protection scheme. Again, come onto this grid. Now we can go to the file tab, click example, and open 9-bus system and execute. Now close this window. So this is the 9-bus system. In this 9-bus system, you can see here we have 9 buses: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 3 types of 3 generator: generator 1, generator 2, and generator 3. Also 3 load: load 1, load 2, and load 3. You can add any other equipments in this diagram. So add a general load on bus 4. So first of all, open the library and take a load from here and add onto this bus. Now double click onto this bus, load, and type here the active power and reactive power of this load. Press OK. Now click on this load flow calculation and execute. So the load flow calculation is successfully done, and you can see here the voltage graph of your bus bar from bus 1 to bus 9. Voltage magnitude graph in point value. So, and when you click on this power, then you can see here the active power and reactive power of your generator. Generator 1, 2, and 3. Similarly for generator 1, 2, and 3. This is active power graph, and this is reactive power graph. Now go to the report formation. So click on this report formation icon. Select complete system report. Click all kinds of report and press execute. Click on this output window and see here the report of your 9-bus system. Yeah. Load flow calculation, complete system report, substation voltage profile, grid interchange. So this is the 9-bus system entire details. For bus 1, rated voltage, rated current, angle, millivolt ampere, power factor, and other details of your bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, bus 4, and up to bus 9. Load flow calculation for this 9-bus system. Nominal voltage on this bus 1, bus 2, bus 3, and up to bus 9. Bus voltage from bus 1 to bus 9 in point value in kV and degree. So from this way, you can easily understand about the entire calculation method of your 9-bus system. Yeah. If you have any question, please ask using your chat box. Otherwise, I am moving on to the another things of this software. So in this software, we have a help tab, and in this help tab, you can see here the tutorial. Using this tutorial, you can run this software. User manual. So from this user manual, you can see here. In this user manual, we have thousands of more than 1,000 pages to give you the solution of your questions. So if you have any question regarding this software and any doubt in the software, you can simply put down the keyword, and according to your keyword, you can go onto this PowerFactory entire user manual pages. And this is very useful features for the software to find out your fault things. In this software, you can also import your personal data. So I have a data from which comes from IIT Roper. So I'm showing here how can you import your data. So go to File tab, go to Import option, and these types of files you can import from your system to this software. So this question comes from the IIT Roper. Click activate. So using these features, you can import your data from a system to this software. Okay. Now I'm showing here how can you download this software for 21 days free trial. So I'm suggesting you to all of you, please download this software. And how can you download this software? I'm showing here. So first of all, go to Google Chrome. Type here www.DIgSILENT.de. and press enter. So this is the main page of the software. Go to products option, and in this product you can share the demo request. So click on this demo request. So first of all, register onto this DIgSILENT PowerFactory software site. You can give you the details of for which purpose you want to install the software: commercial, research, and education. Put here your personal details, your name, your title, your address, your phone number, company or institution details, field of application, in which field you want to use this software, for renewable power generation, power transmission, industrial system, and others, your country, postal code, city, address, and when you fill each and every data, and after that, when you click here and submit, submit this file, then after 24 hours, you got activation key, and using this activation key, you can download the software. Also, after the activation of your mail ID, you are able to download this software. So without activate your mail ID onto this site, you can't be downloaded the software of this PowerFactory system. So I'm suggesting you please download this software for 21 days free trial and see what's the benefits and what's the features of this software. And once again, if you need any support from our end, please call onto this number. Otherwise, you can call also onto this number. So you can call onto this number if you have any question and you need any support regarding the software from 11 to 5. Each and every day you can call if you need any support for this software. So from my end, this is the end of my presentation. And I hope all of them which join this FDP learn something about the software and enjoy the software. After finishing of the software, please rate us and please give us your suggestion, which type of skill we need to improve. And after that, you got your certificate regarding this FTP. So thanks to everyone to join this session. If you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, we are moving to end this. So once again, thank you everyone to join this FTP.